हाय फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं शैलेजा एंड यू ऑल आर वाचिंग हॉबीज फाइंडर। आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगी बनाना के बेनिफिट्स, कुछ हैक्स यूजिंग बनाना, एक हेयर मास्क एंड फेस मास्क एज वेल। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले those who have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Those who have not subscribed yet, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell button as well, because if you click the bell button, whenever I upload a new video, you'll get a notification. Tasty to eat banana has multi benefits for health, skin and hair as well. Bananas contain a high level of antioxidants and act as a nature's botox to prevent fine lines and wrinkles from skin. It also contains potassium, folic acid and natural oil. So it's one of the best natural treatments to get silky, smooth and shiny hair. One ripe banana, honey, castor oil, 1 egg, curd and aloe vera leaf. In case if you don't have aloe vera leaf, you can use aloe vera gel. Now put all the ingredients into the grinder and make it a fine paste. We need a cotton cloth and a bowl to stain the mixture. Squeeze the mixture thoroughly so that if there is any residue, it will remain in the cloth. baking soda, haldi